Starting January 15th, 2025, there will be changes to Adobe's photography plan that includes Photoshop and Lightroom Classic. In some cases, prices may go up if you don't take the proper steps before January 15th, 2025, and in some cases, you may be limited to only one plan if you wait until January 15th, 2025. Currently, there are two plans. There's a 20 gigabyte plan that has been $10 a month for the longest time, probably over 10 years. Then there's also a 1 terabyte plan, and that costs twice as much. That's $20. So starting January 15th, 2025, new subscribers will not be able to get that 20 gigabyte plan for $10 a month. But if you are currently on that 20 gigabyte plan, and if you are paying yearly, then the price won't be affected. But if you are paying month to month to month, which used to also be the only option available for that photography plan many years ago, then that price will go up to $15 a month. Now, if you change to the yearly plan, then you can get that still for $10 a month. You'll just have to pay 1 year right up front. Now, if you are right now on the 1 terabyte plan, then nothing changes, everything is fine. But once again, either way, if you're on the 20 gigabyte plan or you want to get on the 20 gigabyte plan, then you need to take action before January 15th, 2025, either to change to the yearly plan, which will ensure that you've got $10 a month, or you have to sign up and also sign up for the yearly plan. And also, just real quick, I know this may be frustrating for a lot of you out there. If you do want to leave a comment below, feel free to do so, but I would encourage you to please reach out to Adobe. Leaving a comment here will not reach them and it won't do any good except to vent your frustration. So if you do, you can contact Adobe and they've got possibly a deal they could work for you. They've been known to do that. If you find that you are not really ready to switch plans, you can always try and call them. Either way, I'm going to leave some links below in the description of this video with information more about this plan and the changes that will be taking effect. And also, just one last thing, when it comes to this price, it is still somewhat competitive compared to what you are getting. So take that to heart. Even if you were to have the 1 terabyte plan and you're paying $20 a month to have Lightroom Classic and Photoshop, those are very, very powerful tools. And along with that, you get other programs, for instance, like Bridge, and you also get Lightroom, which, as I mentioned in an earlier video, Lightroom now has the ability to open up layers in Photoshop, and you don't have to use the cloud. You can also just use standard file navigation like you would in Bridge. So you do get a lot for that $20 a month, even if you are on the worst case scenario. But if you do want to get that $10 a month and stay on that $10 a month, then before January 15th, 2025, make sure that you change to that yearly plan. And once again, I'll have links to all that down in the description of this video.